revelator.
Tell me who's that writing?
Sean the revelator.
Book of Seven Seals. No crowds and 12 apostles, 3 light away. Said, watch for me while I walk on, while I go out and pray.